To add a collaborator, simply click on the top right-hand corner of the chat module. This allows you to manage a conversation together with others. Both the contact owner and the collaborators will see the conversation in their inboxes and receive notifications for new messages. To assign collaborators, just select the box next to their name and click on Add Collaborators when you're done. You'll see the Added Collaborators icon at the top right corner. Removing collaborators is just as easy. Click on the Add Collaborator icon and select the collaborator you want to remove from the list. Click the symbol to remove them. Once removed, the collaborator will no longer receive notifications for new incoming messages. To access collaboration conversations assigned to you, simply go to Collaborations under My Inbox on the left-hand side. This allows for easy management and organization of your conversations.